Okay, I'm on my way to Resurrection Cemetery to light a candle by my late mother's resting place. Kind of concentrate on things that I'm doing. Helps me kind of summarize my thoughts and prepare me for emotionally for upcoming week or two of the things that I need to do. I should be over there shortly. On a beautiful day like this, that's what I do. And it helps me quite a bit to keep myself calm and organized. Instead of visiting the doctor constantly and complain that you got stress and depression, I suggest sometimes what I'm doing right now is very helpful for everybody. So I'm driving through Summit over here, small little town, and just outside this little town is the Resurrection Cemetery in Justice. Justice is one of the suburbs of Chicago. Pretty quiet place. We got a very large corn product that we used to call it, they changed the name to ingredient. They're processing the corn to make flour in here and all different products. It's a huge place. Oh, sizable place. You see this? Yeah. They've been over here for years. Alright, we're coming up on Resurrection Cemetery. This is a very nice neighborhood over here. Pretty close area. Yeah, that's where the Resurrection Cemetery starts, right in the crossing over here. The roads across over here, Archer and Roberts Road begin. And right behind those woods, that's what this cemetery is. Peaceful and large place. Oh, look at that. See, this manufacturing company goes on for blocks over here. This is some kind of trucking company. So as you see, this is a pretty large cemetery over here. A lot of free place over here yet. There you go. Here you see the mausoleum in here. Water fountain. Okay, and this is the entry, I believe. Yes, okay. So we're right here. I'm just going to light the candle. It's a short prayer. And I continue to do a couple other things today. This is the office over here. Office building. This is the old part of the oldest part of the cemetery in here when you have those monuments, but newer ones you just got the placards in here. You see the statue of John Paul right there behind the woods. Okay, I just arrived here. Grass got cut in here. See that grass is drying.